Hello guys, welcome to next video by Project Maker. In this video, I will be demonstrating you my new project which is Advanced Attendance Management System. And this project will be the part of the playlist which is Advanced Python project which is in front of you. Now, without wasting any time, let's start by exploring the project. And for a better understanding of this project, I have created a basic PPT for you all guys. So let's go to that PPT first. So as you can see, this is the PPT and I will just try to make it full screen for you. So this is PPT and the title is Advanced Attendance Management System, and the motto of this project is from faceless language detection to secure attendance management, which means the face tracking will be done on your face liveness. In short, the attendance will be only taken if you move your face a little bit. So this is a special feature of this project. So let's move ahead. After that, a question comes in your mind, which is, what is this project? So the answer is, it is a smart attendance system using face recognition and liveness detection. Apart from this, all the credentials like admin details, student details are encrypted in hash values in MongoDB database. The next question is, why is it important? Because this project eliminates proxy attendance and enhances security and automation in attendance taking, which in turn saves time and energy. Now let's move to the next slide. Challenges in traditional attendance management system. So these are the challenges that we usually face in traditional attendance management system. The first drawback is it is manual and time consuming. So let's understand this by example. Suppose you are in a class and teacher take attendance by manually calling the name of the student, and the student will say yes sir or present sir, and based on the voice the teacher marks the attendance. And it usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, means from 60 minutes of lecture, 10 minutes are wasted. And if you have 10 lectures in a day, 1 hour is wasted just for taking attendance. Let's move to the next point, this prone to errors and promises. Student marking attendance of others, means if the teacher is taking attendance and student say yes sir or present sir without seeing the student face, then this student who is not available in that class will also be marked as available. And the solution to this proxy is that liveness of face attendance. The attendance will be only taken if the student is in front of camera and moves his head. And the last challenge is lack of security feature. It can be possible that the teacher can mark absent student as present and present student as absent, which we call as dual error. So this problem, or let's say challenge, will automatically be removed by use of this project. Now let's move to the next slide. Now let's see the features of this project. So first feature is liveness detection. Ensures only real faces are detected, which is correct. If you move your face, then only the attendance is marked. The next is multiple user roles. Admin and regular users can manage the attendance. Admin you can consider as the principal of college or let's say school, and the regular users can be the teachers who are taking the attendance. The next point is secure authentication, which is password or hash for better security. And the next is automated UI enhancement. Auto refresh when student is added, which means if admin add new user or let's say student, then the database is updated, and at the same time the user interface of student data is also updated, and this happens same when attendance is marked. And the last important feature is mandatory front face detection, which prevents multiple or unclear faces. So while adding a new student, you have to click your photo 3 times. One from the face angle, which is front angle, second is from right angle, and third is from the left angle, exactly as I have done in front of you now. So these are the features of this project. And the next slide is technology use. So this project is entirely developed using Python. The libraries are OpenCV, TensorFlow, Keras, and custom tkinter. The user interface is purely developed using custom tkinter, and the security features are password hashing, role-based access, just like principal and teacher. And database is MongoDB, which is used to store hash values and student facial data. Now let's move to the next slide. The next slide is demo. So without wasting any time, let's move to the demo project. So I will simply come back from this presentation mode and let's move to the folder where the project is present. So this is the folder, as you can see. Now I will simply open command prompt in this window. As you can see, using this option, it is open in terminal. So as you can see, the terminal is open in this folder. Now I have to activate the virtual environment, which is this. And for your information, the project is made using Python 3.10. So let's activate the virtual environment. So this is the command to activate virtual environment, and as you can see, it's activated. After that, let's run the code. So I'll simply type python scripts.py. As you can see, an error has come in front of us, which is that no such file or directory present, which means the file is not present in the directory. This happens because script.py runs and creates a admin credential. I will show you just by typing the next command, which is python main.py. So this is the main file of the project, and before running the main file, you have to run this python script.py to add admin credentials in the project. So I have hit enter, and let's wait for some time for the output. So as you can see, this login system comes, and to add this username and password, this script.py should be run at least once, and after it gets run, the file is also auto deleted. That's why the error was showing there's no such file present. So let's focus here now. I will simply type admin and admin as password, and I will simply click on login button. Don't worry, you can change the password from the setting icons of admin also and other users also. So let's view the dashboard and explore the project from level. So this is the first tab, which is dashboard. So current 0 student, today's present, no, absent students are no, because this is blank project for now. And if you move to second option, which is student details, so there is no student details because we have not inputted any student. Now let's add one student, which is myself. So this is the basic information of student required, which is first name, middle name, last name, age, gender, year, department, roll number. So let's add them. So as you can see, I have added the user details. So name is Aditya, last name is this, gender is male, and the year is second year for assumption, and department is IT, and roll number is 101. After that, this is the important feature of this project, which is capture upload face images. You can also upload the face images or capture from live camera. For this video, I will capture the face from live camera. So I will simply click here, which is front face, and it's asking me to take a photo or upload the photo. So I will simply click take photo. So pop-up will come in front of me, and it's written that press C to capture front face. So I will look into camera and capture the front face. As you can see, the front face is detected. Now it's requesting me to capture right side face. So I will look in my right direction and press the C button to capture the photo. So let's click here, take photo. I will move to my right a slight in diagonal way and simply press C button. As you can see, the face has appeared here. Similarly, we will do for left side face. Take photo, view in left direction, and as you can see, invalid image, no face detected. So let's try once again. So I will simply look here and just click once again. So as you can see, left side face detected. We are filling the student details now. Simply click on the submit student details button. As soon as I click, student added successfully. So the backend processing is done. Student face data is collected, hashed into MongoDB database within seconds. So this is the speed of our project. And if I click on the student details button, I will see my details, which is roll number is 101, name is this, department is ID, and year is second. Now delete student. If you want to delete a student, view attendance. Currently I have not done any attendance, so currently this area is blank, and this is start scan button, which means start taking attendance. So I will simply click here to start scanning, and as you can see, no face is detected and it's coming on more. Now if I simply move my face, then only attendance will be taken. As you can see, my lines are appearing and present comes, which means the attendance is taken, and every student has to do this for taking attendance. So after all student has done the live scanning, the teacher can click this mark attendance button, and the pop-up will come in front of him, which is do you want to close this issue for attendance, which is yes. And as you can see, the view attendance is updated and the status is present. And if the teacher also changes the status from absent to present, he can do this by clicking on the present button. And if the admin adds password, the student will be marked as absent. So I don't want to do that, so I will simply click close button. And this is the thing. And if you want to view the dashboard, so as you can see, this is the dashboard. So total student is 1, today's present is 1, average present 7 days is 1, because only one student is added and attendance of that student is taken. This is the project of advanced attendance management system, and the last two options are remaining, which is settings and logout. So if I click on the settings button, then change password. So as I told in the beginning of video, you can change the password of admin also. So this is username, which is default, current password type as admin, new password, confirm password, and you can update the password. And similarly, if you want to create new user, you can simply type new username, let's say Aditya, and new password as I will not tell you. And I will simply click on this create user button and validate yourself. So this password is of super admin, you can say principal, and user is created successfully. And you can check this, which is this. So user was Aditya and password is this. And last is the logout button, which is if you want to close this application, you can click on this close button also, or on this close icon also. Both of the buttons does the same job, but I will click this button. So it is asking me, are you sure you want to log out? My answer is yes. And as you can see, the project has come to an end. And now let's log in with the new user. So I am running the project once again, and let's wait for some time. So I will type new username as Aditya and password as I will not tell you because it's personal. And as you can see, it's loading. And as you can see, the attendance management system has loaded once again with user as Aditya. So exactly same thing is come in front of his dashboard, student details, add students, update students, delete students. So let's try these two details for now. So I will click on this update student and enter the roll number. So roll number of Aditya is 101, age details. So these are the details: front face, right side face, left side face. So if you want to update the face, you can do that, update the name or anything else. So let's update the age from 21 to 20 now and save changes. So student details updated successfully. And if you want to delete the student 101, which is roll number of the student, and this search the student, and this is the information. If you want to delete, click on this confirm delete button and the data will get deleted. But before deleting, you have to authenticate yourself by writing the password. That's it about this feature. And let's move to the dashboard now. So this is all my project about smart attendance management system, or let's say advanced attendance management system. Hope you enjoyed this video and exploration of this project. And if you like this project, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And if you face any queries or have any doubts about this project, then do let me know in comment section or on Instagram. I will be happy to answer your all queries and doubts. And for this full scope of this project, do DM me on Instagram, or if you don't have Instagram account, you can simply reach out to me using my email address, which is appearing in the screen. So that's all about this video. Meet you in next video, which will be more advanced project than this. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video.